Today we're going to bring a adjustable laptop stand. Now this one is a pretty good one because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, and we're going to test it out on a model that we have. We actually have a very heavy duty Apple book, so we're going to take a look at it and see if it works compatible with that kind of system. So we could actually have the same color as the actual laptop that we have. So it depends up to you if you want to get it in this color, but a lot of companies sell multiple colors, and so do they too. But we're gonna take a look at this one, and we got the silver one here, and let's go ahead and open it up. All right, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kindly enough to send it to us, so we're gonna open it up and see what you get. So first thing you get, manual. You ain't gonna need the manual in reality because it's already built for you. All you gotta do is take it out, adjust it to the side that you want, and set it up. So let's go ahead and get it out. And now I'll let you know, this is really light compared to other models where they have actually weights in the bottom and they put more of the massive the metal in the bottom so it won't move. This one's actually really light. So we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. So first of all, what you see is you actually see the rubber ends here, and these are two ends right here, so it could attain any kind of laptop you have. And they have these vents in here, so most of the laptops have the fans out in the bottom, and you need to ventilate some of the air. And a lot of these models don't come with this vent at all. They cover it up, and that creates a lot of heat within the laptop. So it's good that they have this grill here in the back. So let's put a little bit of side angle so you guys can see how it looks in the side. Now you're not going to need any tools here or anything to tie it up. It's pretty much pre-built. Now underneath of it, they give you four little legs too. They're rubber ends too, so you won't. It's adjusted so they could grab onto any kind of table, and if it's slippery or any glass table, this actually is pretty good to grab into those kind of situations. So on this part right here, if you guys can see the actual side of it, it's just pretty much, it's built in. The bolts are built in. There's no tightening. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is lift it to your eye level. And what you do is you lift it from the back here. You lift it here, and then you lift it forward. All right. All right. This is pretty solid if you guys can see it. And I'm going to put it in an angle where it's going to go into my face. It is directly into my face. So this is really solid to actually move that I can't move. So let's bring a laptop in here. And this was a heavy duty laptop, and we're going to see if it could actually hang on to the laptop without any movements. You can open it up and get it at eye level. And if you want to adjust it, just bring it down slowly, and then you can push it to the back and adjust it how you want. So really good. And I'm gonna put a little side angle, but before I do that, let me close this so we won't drop it. So you can see the actual laptop, how it's fixing itself. So adjust it how you want. No tools necessary. It's out of box. You don't have to assemble anything. You don't have to slip on anything. It's just pretty much set and forget, and adjust it to the eye level that you want. This is pretty solid, and like I said, I like the extra attachments they have in here so it won't move or scratch your table. So pretty good accessory. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.